Really happy. Obviously, yet to lose, so it's really good to keep the win streak going. We've started poorly, so we were a bit disappointed. But obviously, Henry scored that free kick, and we come in 1-0 up. We're probably a bit lucky, but then I think our class showed then in the second half, so yeah, to win the game.
Overall, I thought first half we were okay. I thought we could have been in the lead. I thought we were the better team first half. Conceded a sloppy goal at the 45th minute, went down 1-0, which killed us a little bit. Second half, again, didn't really get going second half, but individual errors. I think we played 3 games now. I think 5 goals against, all been individual errors, so it's not good enough, but we're not far away.
Obviously pleasing to get 3 points and a clean sheet, but to walk in half-time 1-0, how we managed that, I don't know, because we didn't deserve anything like that. If we'd come in half-time 1 down, I would have probably accepted that, because we weren't at it first half at all. We gave Airbus too many opportunities to do the things they're good at. They're very good on set pieces, got a long throw, get people up the pitch quickly, and I said to them half time, if we carry on doing things like that, we're going to be out of sight against other teams as well when they take the chances. So I said to Steve after the game, how we were 1-0 up half time's a travesty really, but it is what it is. Football's fine margins. We managed to nick ahead and then give us a bit more confidence going into the second half, and we thought we were far better second half then.